The Whiskey Sour, one of the oldest cocktails in the book and arguably the most important one you'll ever learn. Bourbon, lemon, sugar, egg white, the foundation every bartender builds on. 4 ingredients make a classic: bourbon whiskey, fresh lemon juice, simple syrup, and 1 egg white for the foam. Start with 2 ounces of bourbon whiskey. A smooth, moderately priced bourbon like Bulleit or Buffalo Trace is perfect. Nothing too smoky or peaty. Woodford Reserve if you're feeling fancy. Rittenhouse Rye if you want a spicier edge. Add 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice and ½ an ounce of simple syrup. Fresh squeezed lemon only. This is a 2-ingredient balance, and bottled juice tastes like regret. Simple syrup is equal parts sugar and hot water, stirred until it dissolves. Now the trick: 1 egg white. This is what gives a classic whiskey sour its signature silky foam cap. Use a fresh egg, crack it carefully, or reach for pasteurized egg whites from a carton if raw egg makes you nervous. Shake everything without ice first. That's called a dry shake, and it's what builds the foam. Then add ice and shake again until frost cold. Strain into a rocks glass over 1 big ice cube, and garnish with a cherry and a lemon wheel. The foam sits on top like cream. If you're going to learn one cocktail, learn this one. It's older than jazz, it's still on every serious bar menu, and once you can make a great whiskey sour, you can make almost anything else. Cheers. Come back and sit down for another drink soon.